Hello guys! And hello madlang people! Souvenir items now available at Tourist Information Assistance and Souvenir Display Center, TIASDC, on Aroroy, Masbate. We are inviting all local suppliers, artisans and artists to send in their products or souvenir items for display. For inquiries, send us a message on our Facebook page ATCAO Events at Features or contact us at 0921-765-9483. #AtKaw, #Asan sa Paruroy. What are you waiting for guys? Pili na kayo.